Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to make a short review on Gama 11 model fountain pen, and this is a black color plastic finish one. And here in the trim set, there is a golden color clip and a golden color ring on the cap. And here there is a window in which you can find the inks level inside this pen. And here the brand's name Gama also engraved here. And this is a thread type mechanism. And this is number 4 nib, which is in a medium tip. Yes, and you can swap the nib as you like, since we have number 4 nibs in many brands. Usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candlelight nibs, where you have fine, medium, broad nibs, again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs. And also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen, and the choice is yours. Okay, and then if for that you can go to our penhouse.in site and click pen spares, then go to nibs. There you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And here the holding area is a shorter one, a small one. This is highly recommended pen for the little fingers, for little children. And this is a thread type mechanism in the opening the reservoir. Whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads of the barrel. If you fill excess, the leakage path will create it and you will spoil your hands. And again, on maintenance, all the threads are turned to worn out. So to increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline every time when you open and close the grip area during ink fill. And the another very important thing in maintaining your fountain pen is, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it blocks the ink passage in the feeder. So you will get a scratchy writing in the sign, and the ink will dry quickly. Then you may have to shake the pens like this for the ink flow. And I think this you might have experienced. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposit and dirts, please remove the feeder unit and nib separately by holding the nib and feeder together and twist and pull. So for that you can use any cloths, like any hard cloths. Like this cloth gives comfort to hold this. So okay, push this tightly and twist and pull it. This is so simple, and the feeder unit will come easily from the grip area. And this is simple 2 minutes process. Then flush the feeder with the help of toothbrush or any brush, and clean it well with soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And this is so easy to fix this back. Yeah, that's it. And in the ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. Here I'm going to show the example. This is the Brill bottle, and this is a dye based one, and here it is given as a clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. Yeah, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintains the fountain pen, the flow will be affected. So yeah, wash the pen with water. Here I'm going to give the writing sample. For that I'm using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Here I'm dipping in ink and drying here. The writing is so equal, means that the flow is coming out uniquely. uniformly, and the nib was writing so smooth. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to us. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.